Bamfordrose and it's forum chat time. You're going to struggle to go on any Aston Martin related forum area and not find discussions from frustrated owners about LED headlamps or rear lamps needing a repair or renewal. So for the front lamp, this is the V8 Vantage, V12 Vantage, not the DB9 or DBS derivatives, which have a conventional bulb as the side light. As you can see from the picture here from a V8, this is the LED strip that runs on the inside. First time someone knows that this is broken is when they're going for MOT test, and side lights is obviously an important MOT pass criteria, and the car gets failed because its side light isn't working. All V8, V12 derivatives have LED rear lamps. Water ingress or severe condensation causes the LED to blow, and the same with the front headlamp. It's either repair the unit or buy a new one. New headlamps with VAT are approximately £1,300. I wouldn't advise buying a second-hand one because you've just got no idea if it's going to have a blown LED lamp when you plug it into your car. It's quite popular for people with red rear lamps to upgrade to the clear rear lamps. So on the marketplace is red lamps for sale that came out fully functioning. Rear lamps are about £900 for the pair. For customers that want to fix the rear lamp, we dispatch and send to this company, Industrial Electronic Repairs. Here's their contact details and here's their website. If we remove the front lamp, dispatch it to them, they normally quote, fix and send back to us about 5 working days. With carriage VAT, probably going to find that the cost to repair a front LED strip is going to be in the region of £400, £450, which is a heck of a lot cheaper than your £1,300 replacement from Aston Martin. Over the years, we've had a few repaired from this company, and so far all of them are still functioning. So you can either remove the lamps yourselves in your own garage and dispatch to them, refit them when they come back, or as part of a service, then if your car is in a garage, then ask them to do the same. Given that I have fitted a brand new lamp from the factory to a car for someone, and then a few years later that lamp has again broken, then I don't really see a downside to having it repaired and worrying if the repair will last. Hope you like that forum chat. As always, it really helps us if you can subscribe to our channel. Click us a like and give us your comments on Aston Martin LEDs. We'll see you in the next forum chat.